So today I'm going to show you how to easily replace the charging port on any tablet pretty much. This one however is on a flex cable, so it should be a bit easier to do it than normal. And I'm going to show you how to do it and how long it'll take and so on and so forth. So we're going to start by removing the old USB port. And it's out. Very easy. Now what we're going to do is we're going to wick the pads and we're going to clean all the solder from the holes and also put new solder in place to secure the new charging port. And as always, don't forget the flux paste. Now that the surface is clean, we're going to apply new solder on some points. Like so. So what I like to do in this case, where you have pads underneath the new charging port, is I'm going to set the charging port in place, and then I'm going to heat it over the top so these things here melt and bond with the new charging port there. Okay. Now that we have this done, we're just going to fill the holes and we're going to put some new solder on the legs on the back. And now that we have all this done, we're just going to flip the cable upside down, and we're going to, I'm going to show you a little trick there. Just a sec. So you can see here that the solder didn't go all the way through, and it didn't melt enough to bond with the other side. So what we're going to do is just very gently use some heat with the soldering iron there. And where needed, you just put more solder. You don't want to have any gaps, otherwise the charging port will break very easy, and the customer will be coming back and giving out that it didn't last very long. So make sure you do use enough solder. And then you check one more time on the sides to make sure that it adhered on all the surfaces and it bonded the way it should. Yeah, so this is done. So this is how easy you can replace a charging port, a micro USB charging port, and not mess it up, as we've seen time and time again with devices that came over from other shops. I've been Michael from iTechRepairs. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.